go, my lovelies. Right, opening the box 6, 20 kilos. But firstly, I'd like to say thank you so much to Big Vic for sending me some stickers. Well, business cards and a sticker. I'm sure you know this gentleman by now. Excellent work he does. Please go and join him. Yes, thank you, Vic. Much appreciated. And as I said to you in the message, once I work out how to do stickers, you're on my list. Right, let's get on with this then. As with all these are from Joe. I'm sure you've heard me mention him many a time now. Right, what can you see, what can't you see? Oh, and this one's going to be, seeing as you guys have been doing a few screwdrivers lately, I'm going to have a go myself. I've never done one before, but this one absolutely fascinates me. And I think this was from my first box. Anyway, let's get on with this. Same as before, I haven't got a clue. I cannot remember what's in these. Oh, Stanley. 199. Nice. Oh, Stanley. 199. And guess what? Stanley. 199. It's a strange looking blade. The blade's got script on it as well. Nice. Nice. I like them. Oh, we'll pop that there. Oh, something's leaked. What have we got here then? Oh. Very nice. What are these called? Pie crust oil cans. K's patent. What a beauty. Oh, I'm liking that. Number 16, I think it says. Whatever that means. What a gorgeous can. Oh yes, we like that. Right. Cheapy Junior China hacksaw. Lovely pair of snips with a different. I haven't seen one like that before. Can't see any brand names. Right. Screwdriver. Is that magnetic? No. Don't know what that bit's for. Home base. Okay. Different. I don't know what that's from, or two. Handy spanners. Another saw. A Yankee. Okay, seems to work. Probably needs a damn good clean. Swan scissors, kitchen scissors, screwdriver. Now, would you say that's a match? I would. I would say that was a match. Oh. Can't see anything yet. Don't know. Pliers. Bit loose. Screwdriver, no name. Screwdriver, no name. Set square. Okay. Doesn't want to clip in. Well, we'll worry about him later. Coping tool. Small file. Chisely thing. Bent. Don't think these have brand names anyway, do they? Okay. Copper hammer. Thread in there. No thread there. And it has what looks like a name. Where'd I put my wire brush? Just numbers. Papso, I think, possibly. Never heard of them. 01310. Yeah, copper. Can you get replacements of these? Because that'd be, you know, it's rock solid. That'd be a nice restoration. Nice. Right. Ellipse number 77. Got a few of these now. Not one that's painted though. Nice. Pliers, made in England, number 2. I assume that bit there is the brand name, possibly. Don't know. Don't know. Screwdriver. Has script. Okay. That's a dumpy. Cool. It's had a bit of a hard life. Right. Wire strippers. Screwdriver. Right, I'm going to move the box up a bit. Box. Okay. Gimmicky screwdrivers. More snips. No brand name. These ones seem old. Oh, there is a brand. Hold on. Let's get me Old Faithfuls. What have we got then? Hadley. I think that says. You see. I think that's Hadley. These seem old. Old. Nice. Right, let's keep going. Pliers, very loose. The modern pliers. F-wrench, Snail brand, but these ones don't usually have. They don't usually have the snail on them. I do like the little snail. Nice. Pliers, loose. Screwdriver with script. Is that script? No, it's not. It's knurling. No brand. Flint starter. It works, and it does have script, and it's a Yankee number. I think that's 10A. Screwdriver. Crikey. E. Smith. So this is E. Smith's. That's a lump. Tin snips. Can't see anything yet. Oh, they sound nice. Right. Screwdriver. Oh, dirty one. Who are you then? Let's get my eyes on. And it's a snail. I don't know if you can see that. Snail brand. And no snail. That's a nice size one. So 2 snails in one box. Liking that. Screwdriver. Punch, I assume. Modern screwdriver. I assume that's a punch. I don't know what you'd punch. He's got a friend. Almost identical-ish. Oh, pliers. Loose. And what do you say? Looks like RSU A200. Don't know. There's a number in there. There's a stamp there. And there's a word in there. Don't know. But we will find out. Screwdriver. Pliers. Not dipped, painted. Oh, have I forgotten? Gimli? Or was he from Lord of the Rings? Yeah. Anyway, one of those. Oh, one of you gents told me what it was as well. Gimlet. I'm sure it's a gimlet. It's one of those anyway. Script. These look like they were painted. Not too loose, but there's something written in there. Don't think we'll see. Hold on. Oh, it's a Lucas. I believe. Alright. That's a nice set. I think these have been, well, it's equally spaced till there, but there's nothing on that side. I assume that's their way of marking them. Yeah. Do like these ones. Nice screwdriver. Dumpy. Stanley colours, but probably isn't. Another screwdriver, has script there, but I can't. It says British. Nice. I do like wooden handle screwdrivers. Did have something there. Oh, another punch. Oh, there's one for Jack. RAC. I know he likes collecting things like that. Dotty little hammerhead. Cute. Another one. Cute. Screwdriver. Nice one. Tiny little screwdriver. Beddoes. Beddoes. Okay, bicycle, I assume. British made. Yeah, bicycle I'm going to say. With the tyre lever. I don't think it's that old. Shame it hasn't got the name. Right, screwdriver. Another dumpy. Lots of screwdrivers today. Screwdriver. Square shank screwdriver. And it does have script there, which we will see. Actually, it's very good, apart from its natural patina. It doesn't know it's ever been used. Nice. Nice. Good looking tip. Right. Plastic screwdriver. 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 Glass cutter. Draper. Screwdriver, socket holder thingy, and Chinese, Japanese, Korean, Taiwan, whatever that says. Oh wow, how sweet is that? Love it. Bit of hardware. Another one of those. Old pliers, small. Nothing like stating the obvious, is there? File. Branded, don't know. Quite stiff. Oh, Bradle. Screwdrivers. What are they called? You know what they're called. Angle grinder opening up thing. Honestly, my brain does work when it wants to. Wooden screwdriver. Another one of those things. It's a nice pair of pliers. That's a very nice pair of pliers. Wow. One of these apprentice made ones. What makes me think that is the rivet wouldn't be that fine if it was factory made, and the finish wouldn't be as good as this. There's literally no casting marks. Wow. Could be wrong. Nice. Modern snips. Okay. What's that then? Is it for drilling holes? Is it a chisel? It's uneven, so it's been worked. I think that's just something someone's made up. Or, yeah, it could be a chisel lathe, and it's been sharpened so many times. Gouge, I think that's what they call. 5 amp lighting. And lastly, one of them. That's a nice box. I enjoyed that. Yeah, a few nice pieces, definitely. Love the hammers, love the wrenches. Wouldn't mind knowing if I can get replacements of that. If you could leave comments below, I'd appreciate it. Right, all being well, that would be the next, or the restoration before the next box. So I'll get on with that. Well, thank you for watching. Please leave comments, please like, subscribe, blah blah blah, all that mumbo jumbo. I'm stuck at 122 subscribers. I need bumping up, please. Give me the encouragement to do a lot more. Right, once again, thank you for watching, and I'll speak to you all again soon. Bye for now.